Presenting Samsung Galaxy M33 5G smartphone in Mystic Green. It also available in deep ocean blue color variant. The smartphone comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB internal memory expandable to 1TB. It features dual SIM and a micro SD. The 6.6 inches Full HD plus 120Hz touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels allows a smooth viewing experience. The screen is protected by Gorilla Glass 5. It is equipped with 50 megapixel plus 5 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel quad camera and 8 megapixel front camera. The phone has the latest Android 12.0 based One UI 4.1 operating system and Exynos 1280 octa-core 2.4 GHz 5nm processor with the 12-band support for a true 5G experience. The smartphone is powered with 6000 mAh battery. The box includes the handset, ejection pin, data cable and quick start guide.